Scarlett.
Hi everyone, my name is Harper. Today we're going to show you how to make freeze-dried Skittles.
These are your normal Skittles, and then we're going to turn them to freeze-dried Skittles. Our first step is to open the pack. So now we're going to start scooping and dumping the Skittles on the tray. Now we're going to spread the Skittles evenly on the tray.
And it's always important to taste test them.
Now let's go load the trays. These are gonna be really delicious. Now that your trays are loaded,
Now let's close the door.
don't forget to close the drain valve. Go ahead and push start. And then push pre-frozen. We'll be back in 1 minute to check out our Skittles. So we're gonna show you the differences between normal Skittles and freeze-dried Skittles. Which ones do you like better, Harper? Do you like the freeze-dried? I like the normal better. It's thinner and more tasty. Freeze-dried still is tasty, like they taste like the same almost.
The freeze-dried ones are crunchy.
Yeah, that is true, but I like the normal ones because they're not so crunchy. They're both still super sweet though. A funny thing about the freeze-dried ones is kind of like that they kind of look like ice cream sandwich cookies.
Yeah, it's cute. Wow, they're done.
Awesome! It's so fast.
Awesome. I'm gonna try the yellow one first.
Yeah, me too. The yellow ones are always the best. Actually, I'm gonna try the green. What do you think, Harper? Yeah, me too.
Look how puffy they are.
We hope you enjoyed our video.
Please like our video.
Leave us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks, bye.